We've all heard it. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But what if I told you that skipping breakfast could actually be good for you? It might sound surprising, but a growing body of research suggests that intermittent fasting, which often involves delaying or skipping breakfast, can have significant health benefits. This isn't about promoting unhealthy crash diets or extreme calorie restriction. Intermittent fasting is a controlled approach to eating that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. It's about strategically timing your meals to optimize your body's natural processes. Intermittent fasting isn't about depriving yourself. It's a mindful approach to eating that can transform your relationship with food. It's a pattern of eating that focuses on when you eat rather than what you eat. This means you don't have to give up your favorite foods or follow a restrictive diet. Instead of restricting specific foods, you restrict your eating window. This can be incredibly liberating for those who struggle with traditional diets. Imagine this. You finish dinner at 8 p.m. This is the start of your fasting period. Then instead of snacking late at night, you go to bed without eating. This simple change can have profound effects on your health. The next day you skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon. This might seem challenging at first, but your body will adapt. You've just completed your first intermittent fast. Congratulations, you've taken the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. This extended overnight fast allows your body to tap into its stored energy reserves and activate cellular repair processes. It's like hitting the reset button for your body. It's like giving your body a break from constant digestion and allowing it to focus on other important functions. This can lead to improved mental clarity, better energy levels, and even weight loss. During your eating window, it's important to stay hydrated and nourish your body with wholesome foods. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep you feeling full and supports your body's natural detoxification processes. When you do eat, focus on balanced meals that include a variety of nutrients. Think of colorful vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains. This ensures that your body gets everything it needs to function optimally. Planning your meals ahead of time can make intermittent fasting easier. By having healthy options readily available, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks during your eating window. Incorporating light exercise into your routine can also enhance the benefits of intermittent fasting. Activities like walking, yoga, or stretching can help to boost your metabolism and improve your overall well-being. Keeping a journal can be a helpful tool as you embark on your intermittent fasting journey. Documenting your meals, how you feel, and any changes you notice can provide valuable insights and keep you motivated. Many people report feeling more energized and focused once they get into the rhythm of intermittent fasting. It's a sustainable way to improve your health without feeling deprived. And remember, intermittent fasting doesn't mean you have to miss out on social events. You can still enjoy meals with friends and family. Just plan your fasting and eating windows around these occasions. Setting realistic goals and being patient with yourself is key. Intermittent fasting is a lifestyle change, not a quick fix. Give your body time to adjust and celebrate your progress along the way. By adopting intermittent fasting, you're making a commitment to your health and well-being. It's a powerful tool that can help you achieve a balanced and fulfilling life. So embrace this journey with an open mind and a positive attitude. Remember, it's not about starvation, it's about strategic eating and making choices that support your long-term health. With intermittent fasting, you're not just changing when you eat. You're transforming how you approach food and your overall lifestyle. Here's to a healthier, happier you. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity recently, and for good reason. This eating pattern, which alternates between periods of fasting and eating, is not just a trend, but a lifestyle change that many people are adopting. It's not only about shedding those extra pounds, but also about embracing a healthier way of living. Research shows that it can offer a range of health benefits, going beyond simple weight management. For instance, intermittent fasting can help in reducing the risk of chronic diseases, improving metabolic health, and even enhancing mental clarity. The science behind it is fascinating and continues to evolve as more studies are conducted. Studies indicate that intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels and preventing type 2 diabetes. When your body becomes more sensitive to insulin, it can better manage blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of spikes and crashes that can lead to serious health issues. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who are at risk of developing diabetes, or those who are already managing the condition. It can also lower inflammation, a key driver of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Chronic inflammation is a silent threat that can cause significant damage over time, leading to various health complications. By reducing inflammation, intermittent fasting helps in maintaining a healthier body and potentially preventing the onset of these serious conditions. Furthermore, research suggests that intermittent fasting can boost brain function, protect against neurodegenerative diseases, and even extend lifespan in some animal studies. The brain benefits are particularly intriguing, as they suggest that fasting can enhance cognitive functions, improve memory, and protect against diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. These findings are based on both human and animal studies, showing a promising link between fasting and brain health. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects in humans, the initial findings are promising. The potential benefits of intermittent fasting are vast and varied, making it an exciting area of study for scientists and health professionals alike. As we continue to learn more, it becomes increasingly clear that intermittent fasting is more than just a weight loss tool. It's a comprehensive approach to improving overall health and well-being. Whether you're looking to manage your weight, reduce your risk of chronic diseases, or boost your brain health, intermittent fasting offers a range of benefits that can help you achieve your health goals. The beauty of intermittent fasting is its flexibility. It's a lifestyle choice that can be tailored to fit your unique needs and preferences, making it accessible to a wide range of people with different health goals and daily routines. There are various approaches, each with its own set of rules and benefits. These methods can be adapted to suit your personal schedule, dietary preferences, and fitness goals, allowing you to find a balance that works for you. You can choose the method that aligns best with your lifestyle and preferences. Whether you're a busy professional, a stay-at-home parent, or someone with a flexible schedule, there's an intermittent fasting plan that can fit seamlessly into your life. One popular method is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours each day and consume all your calories within an 8-hour eating window. This method is favored by many because it's relatively easy to implement and can be adjusted to fit your daily routine. For example, you might choose to eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m., skipping breakfast but still enjoying lunch and dinner. Another common approach is the 5-2 diet, which involves eating normally for 5 days a week and restricting calories to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. This method allows for more flexibility during the week, making it easier to maintain social engagements and family meals while still reaping the benefits of intermittent fasting. Other methods include alternate day fasting, where you alternate between days of normal eating and days of complete fasting or minimal calorie intake. This approach can be more challenging but is known for its potential to significantly improve metabolic health and promote weight loss. Then there's the warrior diet, which involves consuming one large meal at night within a 4-hour eating window. This method is inspired by the eating patterns of ancient warriors and can be particularly appealing to those who prefer to eat less frequently but enjoy larger, more satisfying meals. It's important to experiment and find what works best for your body and schedule. Keeping a food journal can be incredibly helpful in tracking your progress and identifying which method makes you feel the best. Remember, intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and what works for one person may not work for another. Listen to your body, be patient with yourself, and make adjustments as needed to find the perfect balance for your health and lifestyle. Additionally, it can be beneficial to seek support from friends, family, or online communities who are also practicing intermittent fasting. Sharing experiences, tips, and recipes can provide motivation and make the journey more enjoyable. There are also numerous resources available, such as books, podcasts, and websites that offer valuable information and guidance on intermittent fasting. Incorporating mindfulness practices like meditation and yoga can also enhance your intermittent fasting experience. These practices can help reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and support overall well-being, making it easier to stick to your fasting plan. Staying hydrated is crucial during fasting periods. Drinking plenty of water, herbal teas, and other non-caloric beverages can help curb hunger and keep you feeling energized. Some people also find that drinking black coffee or green tea can provide an extra boost of energy and help manage appetite. When it's time to eat, focus on consuming nutrient-dense whole foods that provide your body with the vitamins and minerals it needs to thrive. Prioritize lean proteins, healthy fats, and a variety of fruits and vegetables to ensure you're getting a balanced diet. Meal prepping can be a great way to stay on track and make healthy eating more convenient. Combining intermittent fasting with regular physical activity can amplify the benefits. Whether you enjoy running, weightlifting, yoga, or any other form of exercise, staying active can help you achieve your health and fitness goals more effectively. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Ultimately, the key to successful intermittent fasting is finding a method that you can sustain long-term. It's about creating a healthy, balanced lifestyle that you enjoy and that supports your overall well-being. With patience, experimentation, and a positive mindset, you can discover the many benefits of intermittent fasting and make it a rewarding part of your life.